What if I told you that your next income stream does not need a shop, a factory, or a huge loan from the bank? What if it starts in your kitchen, your garage, or even a small corner of your home? Many homemakers and 9-to-5 workers believe business needs big money. That is simply not true anymore. Some of these machines cost less than a refrigerator or even a smartphone. In this video, I will show you 17 real machines, real product ideas, and real earning examples with simple numbers. Stay till the end, because the last machine might surprise you the most. Now is the best time to start. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 1. Nut butter grinder. Before I reveal the first idea, let me ask you something. Have you noticed how people are moving away from processed food? This small kitchen device turns roasted peanuts, almonds, or cashews into fresh, creamy spreads. No chemicals, no preservatives, just pure taste. Your buyers are health-conscious families, gym lovers, and parents. Demand is rising because people want clean food. You can start with around $400 to $900. If you sell 25 jars daily at $8, that is $200 per day, around $6,000 per month before expenses. Start simple. Buy the machine, test 2 flavors, design labels, sell at local markets and online. Later, supply to organic stores, and wait till you see what people are drinking instead of soda next. Number 2. Kombucha brewing system. Now think about this. Soda sales are falling, but fermented drinks are rising fast. This setup helps you brew flavored probiotic tea at home. It ferments sweet tea into a tangy health drink that many people now prefer over sugary beverages. Your customers are fitness lovers, office workers, and young adults. Gut health awareness is growing every year. A beginner setup can cost $200 to $700, depending on size. Sell 20 bottles daily at $5. That is $100 per day, nearly $3,000 per month before costs. Begin with one flavor, learn fermentation basics, bottle safely, then approach gyms and cafes. Promote through Instagram and local events. Later, you can introduce 5 to 6 flavors and subscription delivery, but not every business needs food. Some people make money from pure creativity. Number 3. Felt making machine. Here is something completely different. Instead of food or drinks, imagine creating soft, colorful fabric sheets used for crafts and decor. This equipment punches wool fibers together to form strong felt material. Your buyers are crafters, Etsy sellers, toy makers, and home decor lovers. Handmade products are trending because people love unique items. You can begin with about $300 to $800. If you sell 50 felt sheets daily at $3, that is $150 per day, around $4,500 per month before expenses. Start by learning simple designs. Create coasters or keychains, list them on Etsy, and attend craft fairs. Later, you can supply bulk felt to other creators. A stay-at-home mom I know began with small flower designs. Now she ships nationwide. And the next machine is even more practical. It taps into the personalization trend. Before number 4, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 4, vinyl cutting plotter. Let me ask you something. Have you noticed how everything today is becoming personalized? Names on bottles, quotes on walls, logos on cars. This smart cutting device works like a printer, but instead of ink, it uses a tiny blade to cut designs from colored vinyl sheets. You design on a computer, send the file, and it cuts perfectly. Your buyers are small businesses, event planners, students, and car owners. Custom products are growing because people want unique identity. You can start with around $300 to $1,000. If you complete 15 small orders daily at $20, that is $300 per day, around $9,000 per month before expenses. Start by learning basic design software. Practice simple stickers, approach local shops, then sell online. Later, hire a designer and handle bulk branding orders. Number 5. Lace making machine. Now imagine something delicate, elegant, and high value. This equipment weaves multiple threads together automatically to create detailed lace patterns. It works by guiding threads through programmed patterns, forming floral or geometric designs without hand stitching. Your customers are bridal boutiques, fashion designers, costume makers, and home decor sellers. Demand is rising because people want unique wedding dresses and handmade style decor. A beginner setup may cost $800 to $2,000 depending on size. If you sell 30 meters daily at $10 per meter, that is $300 per day, nearly $9,000 per month before costs. Start by learning 3 basic patterns. Create samples, approach bridal shops, and showcase on Instagram. Later, design exclusive patterns and sell wholesale. High-margin products often hide in simple materials, and the next idea proves that. Number 6. Rope braiding machine. This one might sound simple, but simple products sell every single day. This machine twists multiple strands of cotton, nylon, or polyester together into strong, even ropes. Spindles rotate around each other, forming tight braids automatically. Your buyers include pet owners, farmers, craft makers, campers, and marine users. Custom sizes and colors are hard to find in big stores, and that is your advantage. You can start with around $500 to $1,500. Sell 100 meters daily at $2 per meter, that is $200 per day, about $6,000 per month before expenses. Begin with one material type, produce sample batches, approach pet shops and hardware stores, list custom options online. Later, expand into branded leashes and decorative ropes. And believe it or not, paper waste can also become serious income, which we will explore next. Number 7. Envelope making machine. Let me tell you something interesting. Every invitation, every wedding card, every official letter needs one simple thing, an envelope. This compact setup cuts paper into shape, folds it neatly, and applies glue automatically to seal the edges. Within seconds, flat paper becomes a finished product ready to use. Your customers are wedding planners, printing shops, small businesses, and event organizers. Demand is rising because people want custom sizes and themed designs. You can start with around $600 to $1,500. If you produce and sell 1,000 pieces daily at 0.20 profit each, that is $200 per day, nearly $6,000 per month. Begin with 3 popular sizes. Buy quality paper, approach local printers, and promote custom designs online. Later, add premium textured paper and foil prints. But what if paper waste itself could make you money? Number 8. Heavy-duty paper shredder. Now here is a smart twist. Instead of creating paper products, this powerful device destroys documents into thin strips. It works by pulling paper through rotating blades that cut it into small pieces quickly and safely. Your buyers are small offices, schools, banks, and households that need secure disposal. At the same time, shredded paper is now used as eco-friendly packaging filler. Demand is growing because businesses want privacy and plastic-free packaging. A strong unit costs around $300 to $1,000. Offer shredding services and charge $100 per client. Serve 3 clients daily, that is $300 per day, about $9,000 per month. Start by offering document destruction service, collect shredded material, resell as packaging filler. Later, sign contracts with offices. And speaking of packaging, boxes are the next big opportunity. Number 9. Corrugated box making machine. Think about online shopping for a second. Every product delivered to your home comes in a box. This equipment cuts and scores corrugated sheets according to size you enter, then folds them into strong shipping boxes. It is simple. You input dimensions, and it shapes the cardboard perfectly. Your customers are e-commerce sellers, local manufacturers, movers, and storage companies. Demand keeps rising because online sales grow every year. You can begin with about $1,000 to $3,000. If you sell 200 custom boxes daily with $1 profit each, that is $200 per day, around $6,000 per month. Start by targeting small online sellers who need custom sizes, promote quick delivery, and offer no minimum orders. Later, supply bulk packaging to growing brands. And next, we move from packaging to professional documents, another steady income idea. Number 10. Spiral binding machine. Let me ask you this. How many reports, school projects, and training manuals are printed every single day? This compact device punches neat holes into paper and inserts plastic coils to turn loose pages into professional books. It is simple. You stack the pages, press to punch holes, then rotate the coil through them. Your customers are students, teachers, coaching centers, small offices, and self-publishers. Demand is steady because presentations and printed planners are still widely used. You can start with around $150 to $600. If you bind 40 books daily at $5 profit each, that is $200 per day, about $6,000 per month. Start by offering services locally, then design your own planners and journals. Later, supply bulk notebooks to schools. But paper is not the only quiet opportunity. Number 11. Candle wick making machine. Here is something most people ignore. Everyone talks about making candles, but very few supply the core part that makes them burn. This setup braids cotton threads together into even strands, sometimes coating them lightly with wax for better performance. Multiple threads feed through guides and twist into strong, consistent pieces. Your buyers are candle makers, craft sellers, gift shops, and small brands. Demand is rising because handmade candles are popular for decor and gifting. A starter unit may cost $500 to $1,200. Sell 5,000 pieces daily with 0.05 profit each. That is $250 per day, around $7,500 per month. Begin with one standard size. Contact local candle sellers. List bulk packs online. Later, offer custom lengths and organic options. Now let us go even smaller, but surprisingly powerful. Number 12. Toothpick making machine. This next idea looks tiny, but the market is massive. This equipment shapes small wooden or bamboo sticks into smooth, pointed picks. It cuts raw material into thin strips, sharpens both ends, and polishes them for safe use. Your buyers include restaurants, caterers, hotels, and party suppliers. Demand remains strong because food service always needs them, and eco-friendly bamboo options are growing fast. You can begin with about $800 to $2,000. If you produce 50,000 pieces daily with 0.01 profit each, that equals $500 per day, nearly $15,000 per month before costs. Start small, secure bamboo supply, approach local restaurants, and sell in bulk packs. Later, move into branded or flavored varieties. And packaging these properly can multiply profits, which we will discuss next. Number 13. Toothpick packaging machine. Here is where small profit turns into big money. Making wooden picks is one thing, but packaging them professionally is where margins grow. This machine wraps each piece in printed paper or fills small boxes with exact counts automatically. It feeds the sticks inside, seals the wrapper, and pushes them out ready for sale. Your buyers are restaurants, hotels, catering companies, and food brands that care about hygiene and branding. Demand is increasing because businesses prefer individually wrapped products. You can start with around $700 to $1,800. If you pack 20,000 pieces daily with 0.02 profit each, that is $400 per day, about $12,000 per month. Begin by offering packaging services to local suppliers. Add custom logo printing. Promote bulk deals online. Later, build your own branded line. Now let us move from tiny products to bottles. Number 14. Bottle crimping machine. Think about sauces, juices, perfumes, even homemade drinks. What makes customers trust them? A tight, professional seal. This device presses metal caps onto bottles with even pressure. You place the filled bottle under the head, pull the lever, or activate the motor, and it seals perfectly. Your customers are home beverage makers, sauce producers, cosmetic brands, and farmers market sellers. Demand is growing because small food businesses are increasing every year. A basic setup costs around $200 to $800. If you cap 500 bottles daily at 0.50 service profit each, that equals $250 per day, nearly $7,500 per month. Start by offering mobile sealing service, visit local producers, charge per bottle, later expand into labeling and bottling services, and now we shift to something more technical but highly profitable. Number 15. Spring Making Machine. This next opportunity hides in machines, cars, and even keyboards. This equipment coils metal wire into different sizes of springs. You feed the wire, set the measurement, and it twists into tight, consistent coils automatically. Your buyers are repair shops, mechanics, inventors, engineers, and hobby builders. Demand exists because many custom sizes are not available in big stores. You can begin with around $1,500 to $5,000. Produce 200 custom springs daily at $3 profit each, that is $600 per day, around $18,000 per month before expenses. Start by learning common sizes, contact repair shops, offer small quantity orders. Later, specialize in niche markets like automotive restoration or industrial supply. And believe it or not, wire itself can create another strong income stream, which we will explore next. Number 16. Wire netting / mesh making machine. Let me show you something most people completely overlook. Fences, cages, farm boundaries, even construction sites all depend on one simple product: strong wire mesh. This equipment feeds multiple metal wires at the same time and twists or weaves them together into uniform patterns. You adjust the spacing and thickness, and it forms rolls of netting automatically. Your buyers are farmers, construction contractors, poultry owners, and hardware stores. Demand keeps growing because farming and building never stop. A starter setup may cost around $2,000 to $6,000. If you produce 100 meters daily with $5 profit per meter, that equals $500 per day, nearly $15,000 per month before expenses. Start small, offer custom sizes, approach local farms and shops. Later, supply bulk orders to contractors. Now let us move from industrial products to something colorful and high margin. Number 17. Balloon Printing Press. Now think about birthdays, weddings, shop openings, school events. What is always present? Balloons. This printing setup uses a screen and ink system to add logos or messages onto inflated balloons. You place the balloon in a holder, press the design onto it, and it prints clearly in seconds. Your customers are event planners, schools, local businesses, party decorators, and marketing agencies. Demand is increasing because branding and celebrations are everywhere. You can start with around $800 to $2,500. If you print 300 balloons daily with 0.50 profit each, that is $150 per day, around $4,500 per month. Begin with simple one-color designs. Contact party shops, promote on social media. Later, add multicolor printing and bulk corporate orders. And this proves something powerful. Small machines can truly build big income from home. So now you can see the truth. You do not need a factory, a big office, or a huge loan to start a real business. Some of these machines cost less than things we already buy for our homes, and they can create steady income if you take action. The numbers we discussed are not magic. They are simple math. Small daily sales can turn into serious monthly income. But here is the key. Do not try to start all 17 ideas. Choose one machine, the one that fits your space, your budget, and your interest. Here is your simple 3-step plan. First, research the machine and local demand. Second, start small and test the market. Third, reinvest profits to grow. If you are a homemaker or a 9-to-5 worker, this is your sign. Do not wait for perfect timing. Comment which machine you would choose, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this opportunity.